Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Dan di video kali ini kakak akan melanjutkan pembahasan untuk bahasa Inggris kelas 11 di chapter 6 Cause and Effect. Di halaman pertama ada percakapan yang mengandung unsur kalimat cause and effect atau sebab akibat. Lalu di halaman berikutnya building blocks. Di sini untuk mengidentifikasi atau membedakan antara kalimat cause and effect. Cause itu adalah the reason or motive for an action, alasan atau motif sebuah perbuatan. Lalu why something happens, kenapa sesuatu itu bisa terjadi, atau happens first, awal mula kejadian. Lalu untuk kalimat effect atau kalimat akibat itu adalah result or conclusion of an action, hasil atau kesimpulan dari sebuah perbuatan, atau what happened, apa yang terjadi, and then happens due to a cause, atau kejadian yang dikarenakan suatu sebab. Di sini contohnya it rain itu adalah cause, I get wet itu adalah effect. Jadi karena hujan aku menjadi basah. Lalu ke halaman berikutnya, di sini mengenal dari signal words, atau when we'll talk about cause, we use the following signal words like because, the reason for, on account of, bring about, give rise to, created by, contributed to, lead to, due to, for these reasons, and unless. And when we'll talk about an effect resulting from a certain cause, we use the following signal words like as a result, then, hence, for these reasons, therefore, outcome, so, consequently, finally, therefore, and in order to. Artinya, sebuah kalimat dikatakan kalimat sebab kalau diikutin oleh atau dengan tanda kata because, reason for, dan kawan-kawan. Sedangkan yang menunjukkan kalimat itu ada kalimat effect atau kalimat akibat. Nah biasanya terdapat kata as a result, then, hence, dan kawan-kawan. Seperti itu simpelnya. Selanjutnya di halaman berikutnya, some examples of cause and effect relationship, atau menghubungkan kalimat sebab dan akibat. Contohnya di kalimat yang pertama dalam tabel atas, Sumatran tigers are almost extinct because people killed too many of them. Sebelah kanannya cause-nya berarti kalimat sebabnya people kill too many of them, sedangkan effect-nya Sumatran tiger almost become extinct. Artinya karena banyak orang yang membunuh harimau Sumatera terlalu banyak, maka harimau Sumatera hampir menjadi punah. Seperti itu. Lalu ke bawahnya adalah untuk structure-nya. Jika kita menggunakan due to atau because of atau owing to atau thanks to, maka harus diikuti oleh kata benda atau noun. Sedangkan ketika kita menggunakan kata because, since, as, for, itu diikutin oleh kata kerja atau subject plus kata kerja, subject plus verb. Oke, contoh yang pertama, owing to hard work and intelligence, we won the trophy. Setelah kata owing to maka diikuti kata benda, yaitu her hard work, kerja kerasnya, and intelligence, dan intelijensinya. Kalimat effect-nya we won the trophy. Yes, seperti itu ya. Let's practice. A. Read the following sentence. Decide if the word in bold are the cause or the effect. Write cause or effect on the line, then underline the signal word or phrase. Number 1. Early men used weapons because they needed to find food. Artinya orang terdahulu menggunakan senjata karena mereka membutuhkannya untuk mencari makanan. Maka kalimat yang berhuruf tebalnya they needed to find food itu termasuk kalimat cause. Lalu signal wordnya adalah because. Jadi karena mereka membutuhkan makanan, maka orang terdahulu, orang zaman dulu menggunakan senjata. Next, number 2, the glaciers began to melt, therefore the land bridge between Asia and North America became flooded. Artinya sungai-sungai es mulai mencair, oleh karenanya daratan yang menjembatani antara Asia dan Amerika Utara menjadi banjir. Nah, kalimat yang berhuruf tebal itu adalah kalimat akibat ya. Akibat dari apa? Karena the glacier began to melt, karena sungai-sungai es itu mencair. And the signal wordnya adalah the signal word is therefore, oleh karena itu. Next, number 3, because they want to learn about different civilizations that existed, archaeologists studied artifacts. And the word is cause, and archaeologists studied artifact is effect, and the signal word is because. Next, number 4, early men slowly started to grow food, and as a result their lives became easier. Early men slowly started to grow food, as a board word or board sentence is because, and as a result their lives become easier is a fact, and the signal word is as a result. Next, number 5, my sister was very tired because she stayed up past midnight, and the board word is a fact, and because she stayed up past midnight is cause, and the signal word is because. Jadi kalimat yang berhuruf tebal itu adalah kalimat effect atau akibat, sedangkan she stayed up past midnight itu kalimat sebab atau cause, and the signal word is because. Next, to part B, read the cause with the effect and then write the complete sentence using signal words. The first one has been done for you. Number 1, cause it was very windy. Effect, all the flights were cancelled. Sentence, it was very windy, therefore all the flights were cancelled. Number 2, cause she ate too much. And the effect, she got a stomachache. Sentence, you can say, as she ate too much, she got a stomachache, or she got a stomachache for she ate too much. Kalau artinya tuh karena dia makan terlalu banyak, akhirnya dia sakit perut, atau dia sakit perut dikarenakan dia makan terlalu banyak. Next, number 3, cause I ran out of money, and in fact I was not able to buy gasoline on the way home. And the sentence, you can say, since I ran out of money, I was not able to buy gasoline on the way home, or I was not able to buy gasoline on the way home because I ran out of money. Number 4, cause he is afraid to fly. And in fact, he can't go abroad. The sentence, he can't go abroad since he is afraid to fly, or he is afraid to fly, therefore he can't go abroad. Next, number 5, cause after the car accident, and in fact, John drives more carefully. Sentence, you can say, since the car accident, John drives more carefully, or John drives more carefully since the car accident. Artinya, semenjak kecelakaan mobil, John lebih hati-hati dalam mengendarai. Next to part C, read the sentence and find the cause and effect. The first one has been done for you. Kita langsung ke nomor 2. Number 2, Siti has planned a trip to her uncle's house because she loves her cousin. Cause Siti loves her cousins, and effect, Siti has planned a trip to her uncle's house. Number 3, the greenhouse gases trap the heat in the air so the earth becomes warmer. And cause a greenhouse gases trap the heat in the air and affect the earth becomes warmer. Next, number 4, because the Sumatran tigers were almost extinct, the Indonesian government declared them as endangered species. And the answer, because the Sumatran tigers were almost extinct and the effect, the Indonesian government declared them as endangered species. Next, number 5, animals are becoming extinct because humans are moving in their habitat. And the answer, because humans are moving into animals' habitats and affect animals are becoming extinct. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.